How to change and edit your website theme on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to the Wix dashboard, as you can see right here. Now click on edit site right here in the top corner, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top, click on design and click themes. Now as you can see, you have many options. Choose one of these. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and as you can see, I just changed my website theme. I'm gonna choose this one again. It's so easy. As you can see, after you finish, just click publish here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.